Hedge Fund Market Wizards, Strategies of the Ultimate Money Managers. Part 1. Introduction. The World of the Financial Sharks. Have you ever wondered how giant hedge funds manage to rake in billions of dollars in profit, even when the rest of the market is crashing? What secrets do they possess that the average retail investor doesn't? Welcome back to the channel. Following the massive success of his original Market Wizards, Jack Schwager returned to interview a new generation of titans in Hedge Fund Market Wizards. This time, we aren't just talking about buying low and selling high. We are diving into the psychological architecture and sophisticated systems of people who run the world's most complex money-making machines, such as Ray Dalio and Edward Thorp. In this video, we will distill the most valuable lessons from these elite minds so you can apply them to your own investing journey, regardless of your account size. Let's begin the process of decoding the most elite financial brains on the planet. Part 2. Summary. The 3 pillars of elite success. Unlike small-scale retail traders, hedge fund wizards focus on sustainability and the ability to preserve capital under extreme pressure. From his dozens of hours of interviews, Jack Schwager extracted 3 core pillars. 1. Understanding your edge. A true market wizard never trades based on a hunch. Ray Dalio, the legendary founder of Bridgewater Associates, emphasizes the necessity of building systematized principles. You must know exactly why you win and why you lose. Dalio's approach is about radical truth and transparency with data. If you cannot write down your strategy on a piece of paper with cold, hard logic, you don't actually have an edge. You just have a hope. 2. True diversification and asset correlation. This is perhaps the most expensive lesson for retail investors. True diversification is not just buying 10 different stocks in the same industry. The wizards look for uncorrelated assets, meaning when one goes down, the other doesn't necessarily follow. By combining multiple independent streams of return, they create a holy grail of investing. Consistent profits with significantly reduced risk even during the most volatile economic periods. 3. Adaptability and the courage to be wrong. Edward Thorp, often called the Wizard of Wizards, demonstrates that the market is a living, breathing entity that constantly evolves. A method that makes money today might be obsolete by tomorrow. Wisdom lies in constantly doubting yourself, retesting your assumptions, and being ready to pivot your tactics the moment the market issues a new signal. In this world, stubbornness is a death sentence. Part 3. The style. The contrast between geniuses. The most fascinating aspect of this book is the sheer contrast in methodologies. Schwager places successful trend followers like Jaffray Woodruff right alongside fundamental value investors and mathematical quants. Schwager masterfully shows that the financial market is like a vast jungle, and there are many ways to survive it. Some use a compass, technical analysis, while others navigate by the stars, macro analysis. The author's sophisticated interviewing style helps us realize a profound truth. There is no single best method. There is only the method that best fits your personality. Self-awareness is the ultimate key to becoming a market wizard. If you are a high-anxiety person trying to use a high-volatility strategy, you will fail regardless of how good the math is. Part 4. Reflection. The mindset of a champion. The deepest takeaway from this book is that professional trading is a serious business of risk management, not a game of chance. Top fund managers view every single trade as an investment in probability. They don't get high on wins, and they don't fall into despair over losses. They maintain a level of cold-bloodedness that is almost scary. The lesson for us is simple. Never bet the house on a single hand. Learn to accept small losses as a necessary business expense, in exchange for the right to participate in big opportunities. Success doesn't come from a lucky big hit. It comes from the relentless repetition of a sound process over thousands of trades. The wizards don't predict the future. They manage the math of the present. Part 5. Conclusion. Start your own journey. The financial market is a stern but fair teacher. Hedge Fund Market Wizards is more than a book. It is a map designed to help you avoid the deadly traps that catch the majority of the crowd. It teaches you that while you may not have $1 billion fund, you can still think like the people who do. Thank you for listening to our review of these hedge fund legends. Which style of investing appeals to you more? Using cold computer algorithms or the high-level macro analysis of the human mind? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to continue exploring the secrets of the financial world with us. Invest intelligently, stay disciplined, and stay sustainable. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.